Hello, I'm going to show you how to change the orientation of your part or sketch. To do that, press the mouse wheel and hold it down. Then move your mouse around to change the orientation of the sketch. Now it has been changed. Another way of changing orientation of a sketch is by using the view orientation here. Click and you will find the um, view cube on the screen, which you can select from. Once you navigate any side, a preview will show at the side of the screen. Now, if I click here, I've changed the view to this side of the cube, and I can change it again by clicking the view orientation and then click another side of the view cube. Now, the orientation of the sketch has been changed. Another method that we can use to change our orientation is we can use our orientation triad, which is this. If I click on Y, the orientation will change to Y. If I click on Z, it will change to Z. If I click, X, if I click on Z, it will change to Z, and I can keep clicking on it until I have my desired orientation. So let me click here and then view from this side so that I can have a clearer view of my sketch. This is how to change the orientation of sketch in SolidWorks. Thank you.